Hey guys, I just got this cool camcorder, so I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of demo footage and stuff, and I'm just gonna show you guys like the quality of this thing because it's pretty sick. So here I'll just do like a little an outdoor example. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's pretty awesome. What else could I show here? My workstation's a mess right now, but oh, I know. Here, I'll show the inside of my computer. There it is. Anyways, that's probably boring. Here, let's see how the monitor looks. That's pretty sleek. There's some code. Well, I'll probably be doing some iPod Touch videos. That sounds like a good idea. That's awesome. It's cool. This thing does like full 1080p. Now guys, check this out. Look at my clock. It's been running for 2,100 hours. It's quite some time. Anyways, here's my G11. It's an awesome keyboard. EPC. It's going to take a minute to get the focus rate on this camera. Figure out how all that works, but there's my shit rig. Let's see, what else could I show off? Right, this is a fun one. Yeah, when I get a tripod, I'll be doing that. Let's see, what else could I do? I wonder what this looks like. Oh man, the colors on this are awesome. Well, on this little screen anyways. Alright, well, that's pretty much my camera. I'm gonna do like an intro and stuff eventually too. But this is just some test footage just to show you guys what this camera's like. It's the JVC Everio HD300. And yeah, I don't know, pretty good. I got it real cheap at Future Shop, if that makes any sense. So yeah, see ya.